Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your GMC Acadia. This easy method will save you time and money. First, gather your essential tools like a wrench, oil filter, and a drain pan. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and cool before starting. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get that old oil out. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your wrench, loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the dark, used oil to flow into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once empty, replace the drain plug, ensuring it is snug but not over-tightened. With the old oil drained, it's time for a fresh filter. Locate the old oil filter, which might be a bit tricky to reach. Use an oil filter wrench if needed to loosen and remove it. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by about a quarter turn more. Finally, let's add the new oil. Consult your owner's manual for the correct oil type and capacity, typically around 6 quarts for many Acadia models. Slowly pour the fresh oil into the engine's fill cap. After adding, check the dipstick to ensure the level is correct. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then recheck the dipstick and inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.